All right, just installed a SW-MOTECH day pack on my 2009 FC1. Got a new tank ring or mount ring, whatever you want to call it. That's on there nice and tight. I don't have my tank bolted down yet because I've been doing some other stuff with it, so it shifts, but that's fine. What I wanted to show you is the back side here. Nice and tight to the bag. The bolts go through the bag in the, you can't see that, you know what I'm talking about. Go to put the bag on the tank ring. Fun with one hand here, yeah, that's what she said, right? Go clip it down, that snaps into place. I can grab it either perpendicular to the length of the bike and jiggle it, or have it go parallel to the length of the bike so it goes this way and it makes noise either way. Is that supposed to happen, or is something not quite right there?